Don't let your worn out tires run you off the road this summer. Make sure your tires are road ready with these 4 simple steps. Step 1, inspect your tire tread. Look out for worn edges and bald spots, and use a tread gauge or the quarter test. You can place a quarter upside down in between the treads, and if you can see above the top of Washington's head, it's time for new tires. Step 2, check your tire pressure. We've said this before, but it's an important one. The wrong tire pressure will make your tires wear faster and reduce traction. You can buy a pressure gauge at any Napa Auto Parts store. AAA members save 10%. When checking your tire pressure, compare the reading to the spec located on the placard inside of your door, and adjust it accordingly. Step 3, rotate your tires. This one is important to make sure your tread is wearing evenly between the front and back of your vehicle. Some cars will wear more evenly than others, but you should generally do this every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, or every oil change. Step 4, align your tires. Misaligned wheels can cause tires to wear unevenly, which can lead to less control on the road as well as premature wear. AAA-owned car care and AAA approved auto repair locations offer wheel alignment check services to ensure that your vehicle is properly aligned. Now that's a good choice. Save this video for your next road trip and stay safe out there on the road.